Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. Welcome to 2024. Happy New Year to you and yours. I hope everything is starting out wonderfully for you, wherever you are and whatever you're up to. This is the time of year where I look forward into the future and try to make predictions and plans about what it is that I'm going to get up to out here in the shop in the coming year and here on the channel. Every year for the last few, I have done this video. Often we look back on this video and laugh at how ridiculous these plans were. But I think it's important to have goals and be aiming at things. So let's get into the 2024 Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff resolutions. All right, the first of the Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff 2024 resolutions is to complete 2 stringed instruments. Before I get into the details on that, let's just roll the tape from the 2023 resolutions video, and we'll be back in a second. Resolution number 2 is to make more than one stringed instrument. I would like to complete more than one stringed instrument this year. I made a guitar 2 years ago and kind of caught the bug. And then last year I didn't make any stringed instrument. So this year I want to make 2. I'm not going to say what kind of instruments they are or how fancy pants they're going to be, but I would like to finish 2 stringed instruments this year. We'll see. So yeah, that didn't happen. This is a carryover resolution from last year. I did make a little bit of progress on a few instrument builds. So hopefully this year, you know what? Like that's cop out. Let's three stringed instruments is my goal for this year. Because that way I will have built one in 2020. And then in 2024, if I finish 3, I'll still be averaging 1 a year. Let's make it 3. 3 stringed instruments. Finishing 3 stringed instruments this year. Resolution number 1. Resolution number 2 is to make 2 significant furniture projects. I realize, looking back at the past year of effort out here in the shop, that I didn't cut a single dovetail. I don't even know if I cut a mortise and tenon last year. I didn't make anything of significance in terms of furniture, and it's what I love doing more than anything else out here in the shop is making furniture. So a significant piece of furniture does not mean enormous. It doesn't have anything to do with size or intricacy or whatever. It has to do with it being important and useful. So I don't know what they're going to be. I have no plans for what they are, but I would like to be able to look back at the end of next year, this year, and say that these 2 projects I would consider significant furniture projects. That's resolution number 2. Resolution number 3 for 2024 is probably the most significant of the resolutions. It's a shop renovation. Last year, well, hey, you know what? Let's roll the 2023 resolutions tape again. Roll the tape. Resolution number 3 is improve the shop lighting. Right now I have 2 banks of 2 T8 fluorescent bulbs, 1 2-splitter thing of, I think those are 60-watt light bulbs, and 2 like desk lamp clip-on things that are sort of task lights. That is not ideal for a shop situation. I would like to have more even light that doesn't have as bad sort of cast shadows and stuff. So I would like to do something about the shop lights. I don't know exactly what that's going to be yet, but shop light improvement is resolution number 3. So yeah, I didn't do anything about the shop lighting. I did purchase the shop lights and then decided that I shouldn't put new shop lights in a dingy old shop. So I haven't installed them yet because I would like to do a relatively major overhaul to the shop this coming year, and lighting is going to be part of that. I don't know what the significantness of the renovation is going to be. There probably won't be anything structural that's done, but it will absolutely include lighting and paint and dust collection installation in some way, and possibly a new layout. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But there is a relatively significant shop renovation coming this year. Resolution number 4 is that I would like to create and organize and run some sort of charity community build fundraiser type thing. I see these happening all the time for various causes and things where a bunch of people make a similar thing or make their version of a thing, and then they raffle them off or auction them off or raise money in some way for a cause. And I think that I would like to do that this year. So it's another one of these, I don't know what it's going to look like or how it's going to work ideas. It will probably be raising money for mental health initiatives and organizations in some capacity. And I'm going to start working now on seeing if I can get some sponsors and some people interested in being involved, and determine what exactly that fundraiser ends up looking like. But stay tuned, because at some point this year, that's one of the things that I would like to make happen. A community build where people come together and put their efforts towards something good together. That's the extent of the concept right now. It's a nugget. It's a nugget of an idea. And that's where all ideas start. As a nugget. Right? And then the final resolution, I'm only doing 5 this year, and it's more of sort of an overarching, let's call it an attitude resolution, I guess. I'm going to try to actively appreciate the good things in the world. I think it's very easy these days to see the negative and see all of the bad that's happening around us, for multiple reasons. And I would like to revolt, for lack of a better word, against that and actively seek out and appreciate the good things that are happening in the world. So I don't know if that's going to end up coming through for you guys in terms of video content production or things that happen here on the channel, or if it's just going to be me trying to be more, I wouldn't say optimistic. I'm a relatively optimistic guy. But I want to just push away the negativity and actively bring in the good energy and appreciate the ton of wonderful, wonderful things that are happening around us. So if you guys have ideas about how I could do that, or how you like to do that, or anything, leave them in the comments below. I might do a periodic series of videos that's talking about, maybe it's like Mike's monthly moment of meh. There's a fourth M word there, where I just right now I'm appreciating this, and I would like for you guys to appreciate that as well, kind of video. Or I don't know what it's going to look like. Again, these are nuggets of ideas. These are goals that I want to be able to look back on at the end of the year and say, yeah, you did that, my friend. Good work, you. Good work, past you, past me, I guess, at the time. I'll be talking to past me. You get it. I think you get it. And that's it. I got 5 resolutions. 3 stringed instruments, 2 significant furniture projects, the shop renovation, some sort of charity fundraising community effort of some kind, and actively appreciate the good in the world. That's it. Do you guys have resolutions? You can leave those down below as well. If you don't make resolutions, let me know why you don't make resolutions. If you have some and you want to talk about them, put them in the comments. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'm looking forward to another fantastic year here in the shop, here on the channel. Thank you so much once again for coming along with me. And stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye for now. Welcome to 2024. Let's make it a good one.